Hey fashion enthusiasts! Are you passionate about style and the environment? If so, you're in the right place. Are you ready to revolutionize your wardrobe and embrace sustainability? Imagine a closet filled with unique, eco-friendly pieces that tell a story. Let's dive into the exciting world of upcycled fashion. This movement is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that combines creativity with consciousness. Upcycling is all about transforming old garments into fabulous new pieces. It's a way to breathe new life into items that might otherwise end up in a landfill. It's about giving pre-loved clothes a new lease on life. Each piece becomes a unique creation, reflecting your personal style and commitment to sustainability. Upcycling is taking the fashion world by storm, and for good reason. It's a response to the fast fashion industry's wastefulness and environmental impact. It's a creative and conscious way to express your unique style while reducing waste. You can turn something old into something new and fabulous. It's about saying yes to individuality and no to fast fashion. By upcycling, you're making a statement against mass-produced, disposable clothing. Imagine transforming an old pair of jeans into a trendy skirt. With a little creativity and effort, you can create something truly unique. Or turning a vintage scarf into a chic top. The possibilities are endless. Each project is an opportunity to showcase your creativity and make a sustainable choice. Upcycled fashion is about unleashing your creativity and making a statement. It's a way to stand out and show that you care about the planet. So, are you ready to join the upcycling movement? Let's get started. Together we can make a difference, one stylish piece at a time. Why is upcycling so important? It's a question that more and more people are asking as we become increasingly aware of our environmental footprint. Let me tell you, there are so many reasons to embrace this sustainable approach to fashion. Upcycling is not just a trend, it's a movement towards a more sustainable and conscious way of living. Firstly, it's an eco-friendly choice. By reusing materials, we reduce the need for new resources, which helps to preserve our beautiful planet. The fashion industry produces a huge amount of waste. In fact, millions of tons of textiles end up in landfills every year, contributing to pollution and environmental degradation. By upcycling, we can reduce textile waste and minimize our environmental impact. It's a proactive way to combat the negative effects of fast fashion. It's about making conscious choices that benefit our planet. Secondly, upcycling is budget-friendly. You don't need to spend a fortune to look good. You can create unique, stylish pieces without breaking the bank. Imagine turning an old pair of jeans into a trendy jacket or a worn-out shirt into a chic dress. Who doesn't love saving money while looking fabulous? Thrift stores and secondhand shops are treasure troves for finding items that can be upcycled into something amazing. Thirdly, upcycled fashion is all about individuality. In a world of mass-produced clothing, upcycling allows you to stand out. You can create one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect your personal style. It's a form of self-expression that is both creative and sustainable. No more blending in with the crowd. Upcycled fashion celebrates diversity and uniqueness. Finally, upcycling allows you to develop valuable sewing and design skills. These are skills that can last a lifetime and open up new creative possibilities. It's about empowering yourself to create and repair your own clothes. Not only does this save money, but it also gives you a sense of accomplishment and pride in your work. Now let's talk about organizing an unforgettable upcycled fashion show. First things first, you need a theme. Your theme will guide your design choices and create a cohesive look for your show. Think about what inspires you. Do you love vintage glamour? Are you drawn to bohemian chic? Let your imagination run wild. Next, you'll need to secure a venue. Consider spaces that align with your theme and can accommodate your audience. Don't forget to assemble a team. Enlist the help of friends, family, or fellow fashion enthusiasts. Delegate tasks like model casting, music selection, and decoration. Finally, create a budget. Determine your expenses and allocate funds accordingly. Remember, upcycling is about being resourceful, so get creative with your budget. Now, the exciting part: sourcing your materials. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces are treasure troves for unique and affordable clothing. When selecting items, consider the fabric quality, size, and potential for transformation. Look for interesting textures, patterns, and embellishments. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Old curtains, tablecloths, and even blankets can be upcycled into stunning garments. Remember, the key is to see the potential in every piece. With a little imagination, you can transform even the most unexpected items into fashion-forward creations. Section 5. Designing your upcycled collection, unleash your creativity. Now it's time to let your creativity shine. This is your moment to take those thrifted treasures and turn them into something truly unique and personal. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, the possibilities are endless. There are countless design techniques you can use to transform your thrifted finds. From simple alterations to complex reconstructions, each method offers a new way to express your style and vision. Patchwork is a great way to add visual interest and create unique patterns. By combining different fabrics, colors, and textures, you can craft a piece that tells a story and stands out from the crowd. Resizing garments can give them a whole new look and fit. Whether you're taking in a dress for a more tailored silhouette or letting out a pair of pants for a relaxed fit, resizing allows you to customize your clothing to your exact preferences. Don't be afraid to experiment with different dyeing techniques to add pops of color or create an ombre effect. Natural dyes can offer a sustainable and eco-friendly way to refresh your wardrobe with vibrant hues. Embellishments like lace, buttons, and embroidery can add a touch of personality and glamour. These small details can transform a plain garment into a statement piece that reflects your unique style. Let's take a classic denim transformation as an example. Denim is incredibly versatile and can be upcycled in numerous ways to create fashionable and functional pieces. You can turn an old pair of jeans into a trendy skirt by cutting off the legs and adding a fabric panel. This simple yet effective technique can breathe new life into worn-out denim. Distress the denim for a vintage vibe or add patches for a bohemian touch. These techniques not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also add character and individuality to your creations. Remember, the key to successful upcycling is to have fun and let your imagination run wild. Each piece you create is a reflection of your creativity and a step towards a more sustainable fashion future. So gather your materials, unleash your creativity, and start designing your upcycled collection today. Section 6. Showtime, rehearsals, stage setup, and music. With your collection ready, it's time to prepare for the main event. Schedule rehearsals to ensure your models feel confident and comfortable on the runway. Think about your stage setup. Create a runway that showcases your collection in the best light. Consider lighting, backdrops, and seating arrangements. Music is crucial for setting the mood and energy of your show. Choose a playlist that complements your theme and gets the audience excited. Remember, the key is to create a cohesive and engaging experience for your audience. Section 7. Hosting your upcycled fashion extravaganza. It's showtime. As the host, you set the tone for the entire event. Start with a captivating opening speech, share your inspiration for the show, and highlight the importance of sustainable fashion. Introduce each model and their outfit with enthusiasm and describe the upcycling techniques used. Engage the audience by asking questions and encouraging applause. Consider having a Quanda session at the end to allow the audience to learn more about upcycling and your design process. Remember, your energy and passion will make the show even more memorable. Section 8. Lights, camera, action, capturing and promoting your event. Don't forget to capture the magic of your upcycled fashion show. Hire a photographer or videographer to document the event. Share photos and videos on social media platforms to promote your show and spread awareness about upcycling. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Consider creating DIY tutorials showcasing simple upcycling techniques. This is a great way to inspire others to try upcycling and share your passion for sustainable fashion. Section 9. Keep the upcycling spirit alive, DIY tutorials and beyond. Congratulations on hosting a fabulous upcycled fashion show. Remember, this is just the beginning. Continue to explore your creativity and share your passion for sustainable fashion. Organize workshops or clothing swaps to engage your community and promote upcycling. Collaborate with local businesses or organizations to spread the message of sustainability. Remember, every piece of clothing we upcycle is a step towards a more sustainable future. Let's continue to make conscious choices that benefit our planet and inspire others to do the same.